Welcome back to our online Wudang Academy. So today we start with the 𝐸𝐸 series. The 𝐸𝐸 series is in the category of the 𝐸𝐤𝐸𝐸. So it is the yin-yang extremes. Yes, this is an advanced form, so you should already know the Kungfu basics. You should already know some of the Tai Chi and some of the Tai probably. Yes, if you're starting with the Tai form, probably the Tai He or the Tai Wusing Xuan is a good form to start before you learn the 𝐸𝐸 form. Yes, so we will do the 𝐸𝐸 form step by step. Please do it slowly. Yes, try to watch these sections over and over again. There's a lot of information. We'll simply start now and let's see how it goes. And leave me feedback below in the comment section. Yes, so let's start. All right, so let's start with the form. You stand relaxed, like you're starting a Tai Chi form. Yes, so step wide, shoulder width. Yes, breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in, turn the hands around from the shoulder. Yeah, breathe in, turn hands around, and breathe out. You can slowly turn the hip to the right side. Then the right hand comes in front of the left hand, like this. Yes, and then you step into Ma Bu while you shift the gravity center to the right leg. Like this. Yes, you have the sword hand, okay? So make sure the thumb and the finger connect and the two fingers are always straight. The other hand touches the right knee and you look to the left hand. Understand? So let's do this one more time, okay? Über. So. Slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Turn around. Breathe out. Turn right. Turn left. And then explosive, fast. Ma Bu. Right hand connect with the knee and look to the left hand. Upper body slightly forward and the position should be 60-40. Yes, 60-40. This relates to the amount of shifting your gravity center over, okay? So this may happen more often in this form that I say 60-40 Ma Bu. So it means to shift your gravity center 60% to one side. Let's do it one more time, and I want to show you from the side, okay? Über. So. So, till now I think this was quite easy, okay? So make sure before you go into this fast explosive motion, you try to relax as much as possible. So you have your time in the opening to relax the breathing and try to calm down really slowly, yes? Then you simply open up with the hip, yes? You open the hip to the side and you go explosively into Ma Bu. All right? So now when we can do this 60-40 Ma Bu on this side, watch closely what happens next. You open the hand, you turn Gombo. You turn Gombo and also open the hip. Yeah? You open the hip here. And you turn over and you stand on the right leg while the right hand comes up with the left hand. Watch from the front. The right hand come up together with the left leg, okay? So here, one, okay? When we hear one, two, push and do it straight, yes? So make sure you connect the leg movement with the hand movement, yes? When you hear one, the hip is turning to the right side and the hand turns into the front and you push forward, yes? So from here, one, two, and then you hold it and you come over to the other side. So watch it closely. From the Ma Bu position, yes? We slowly go over. You open the left hand. You turn in Gombo. The right hand come up with the left knee. The left hand stays in front of the chest. And then you make the left leg straight while you turn the right hip to the right side. Yes, here, 1, 1, and 2, then you're straight. So the movement from the hand is like this, and the other hand is going from the front like this, yeah? All right? So watch it closely one more time. For here, 马步, 1, open slowly, 2, 3, and then you turn over and go inside. All right? Let's try it again one more time. So. So basically, this position was called the turtle and the snake. Yes, this is a coordination movement of the extremes. Maximum tension, maximum relaxation on both sides, and then you will be able to hold this position. Yes. So after the movement, you saw we going in like 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸, similar to 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸 𝐸. Yeah? The left hand is over the head, and the right hand goes inside over cross. Yes. So it's basically a round shape. And from this round shape, we turn over slowly. Go here, 1, 2, 𝐸𝐸. So when we are at the 𝐸𝐸 posture, you try to relax as much as possible. The front is empty. Yes. Right hand is to the hip. You come forward, like marble posture, and punch forward. Then the elbow goes 45 like this. Yeah? 45 like this, you step forward, come forward, turn the hip to the left, and then 法力 like this. Yeah? So watch the routine one more time in fluid motion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Yeah? Then we step forward like this. 1. Yeah? You basically kick the ground up by going fast like this. 1. And one more time in fluid motion. For 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸, we go in this marble position and punch. 1. Elbow goes in 45 degrees. You turn over, 马步. In the front, you turn the hip to the left, and 法力, turn the hip to the right. Now you go up like this. 1, yes, like you kick the ground up. Here, 1, you go in, one more time, in marble position. The position is similar like in 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸, so it's not really fully a marble position, more like the marble in 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸 or 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸 movement. You're basically like here a little bit, maybe on the higher side, and 60-40, yes? 60-40, you punch here. Then you go in, 1, and you're here, okay? So watch the movement after the 法力 one more time. 1, 2, yes, like this. Yeah, here. 1, 马步 here, 马步. And after this marble punch, watch closely what happens. You simply go in, like the arm, big arm, like Tai Chi push hand. Push, 马步, and turn over, like 复拳, and punch forward again. By punching forward, shift the gravity center slightly backward. Yeah. Understand? So do the section one more time in fluid motion. 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐸𝐸. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're here, okay? So let's watch the full sequence in fluid motion one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me show you one more time from the other side. Let's go over here. And now, 虚步. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we finished the sequence up from here, yes? This was the last position. Now we step 𝐸𝐸𝐴, push to the side, go up here, 𝐸𝐸𝐴 one more time, and push. Yes, combo position. Hands like this, yes, like 𝐷𝐷𝐴𝐴. Then we go like this, 1. Okay, and we turn 1, punch, combo. From combo position, we turn over, and the right hand come up, yes, kick, go here, step, and 60, 40 mabu. Yes, 60, 40 mabu, like this. 2 times the sword hand. So this section is a bit complicated, so let's do it slowly one more time. Try to follow my movement slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, yes, from here you step, punch, combo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me show you from the other side. Understand? Make sure the final position looks like this. First you're going to mabu. The right hand come from the hip. The left hand also come from the hip. 1. The knee go forward. Like this. Yeah? 1. So this was our first episode of the Xuan Wu Quan series. I hope you enjoyed it so far. Please keep practicing this first sequence till you really can do it, and then go further with the second episode following next week, okay? So thank you for watching, and see you soon for more. Goodbye.